Huh? Ah! Evil money! Run!
You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Chase your dreams because the dreams won't chase you. What I do here is I help people like yourself find the best tools to grow their business, to earn passive income, and I also give motivational business talks. So the belief that money is evil, is the root of all evil in the world, is just that, a belief. You see, money doesn't create evil. It does create, but it's not evil that it creates. It's not badness that it creates. What money creates is the same thing that all objects create within us. It's called emotion. You see, money creates emotion. The emotion could be of happiness. It could be of sadness. If you was playing tennis, for example, and you felt good and happy, you would say tennis is making you feel happy. So you attribute your emotion that comes from within you onto tennis. Tennis made me happy. But tennis is just tennis. It's just a racket. It's not doing anything to make you happy. It's a ball, it's a court. It's not doing anything to make you happy. But the action of the game creates this feeling of emotion and you attribute it to the game of tennis. It's the same with money. If you buy something, a sports car, you buy a nice house, you buy a nice t-shirt, you like it? We attribute the happiness that we feel, that emotional feeling, from what money created. We say money created this experience. So money can create emotions. The emotion can be good, the emotion can be bad. The choice is yours. Why not allow money to create positive emotions within you? Oh, money helps me get things and I feel good. Nice. It helps me live the desired life I wish to. Nice. You can choose this understanding because it is true. Money can help you live your desired life. Or you can choose to see money as evil and create negative emotions within yourself. It's money that is the cause of people living on the streets. It's money that is a cause of wars. It's money that is a cause of evil. But again, it's not. The emotion comes from the person. It comes from you. You attribute your sadness to money, the world's problems to money. But really, in truth, it's people that create the good circumstances or the bad circumstances of the world. It's not an inanimate object, such as money, such as this paper cloth thingy. Whenever you carry on with the rhetoric, it's just rhetoric, that money is inherently evil, that it's bad, that it's causing your life to suffer. You block yourself from the flow of money that is out there, it exists. There's more than trillions of pounds and dollars in the world from coming to you. Because your person, your ego that we call, is in resistance to it coming into your life. Your mind, you could say. Your mind is resistant to it coming into your life. No, it's bad, I shouldn't have too much of that, just enough to get going. No, you can have the luxury life you desire. There's nothing wrong about that. Only again, it would be your perception to say it's wrong to have a lavish lifestyle. Remember, a lavish lifestyle, the desired lifestyle for you will be different to me, different to her, different to him. What money is supposed to do is help you acquire the life that you desire, your specific vision of life. It doesn't have to be sports cars. Try not to see money as negative because it isn't. It simply does not create the bad in the world. It only creates emotion. Seemingly anyway, because emotions always come from within us. Get that money, guys. Get that money. I'm telling you, get that money if you want it. It's not bad. This is not bad. You're not bad. It's not even good. It's not anything like that. It's an object, a tool that we use. It's a thingy. It comes, it goes. What remains is us with our mind and our emotions. That stays. That stays. It changes depending on our circumstances, of course, but it stays. It's that we attribute and superimpose onto objects of the world, such as money. Try to separate yourself from the idea that money has bad within it. Remember, it's just rhetoric that people say. In my opinion, the so-called higher echelon of the world, 1% or whatever you call it, or just rich people in general, have created this rhetoric that money is evil, money is bad, to stop the average person like yourself and myself from striving to get that money. Because actually there's this block that says, no, don't get it, it's bad. All along the rich people are there saying, no, actually it's good, yeah, it's good. They won't tell you that, but yeah, it's good. Okay? And if they're genuine, they will tell you, no, get the money, it's not bad. So don't believe rhetoric over reality. Reality is, money can be used for whatever you wish to use it for. And if you are struggling right now to pay your phone bill, to pay your taxes, then of course you need money to get out of that situation. So get money to get out of that situation. There are many links in the description that will help you in that endeavor. That will help you earn passive income. Every link in the description below. So click them, have a look if you wish to. Start earning that money passively as well. Creating a business that will help you live your desired life. Money is just a thing to use to get there. Don't let it scare you. And remember, chase your dreams because the dreams won't chase you.